Mary's buying a toothbrush.
Oh, you're recording. Why does it always happen?
What change do I have today? Come on, guys, help us find out.
How to meet a guy.
All you need is $1.05.
Dance in CVS. Oh, here we go. Oh, look at them dancing.
This is such a debacle.
$1.05.
Put in your 5 cents. Why is this so hard? I went out with
Still dancing. Still buying.
went out with $24. I came home with 5.
What? How?
I don't know.
What?
I only bought
You went to
4
Faye.
drinks.
Check it. Extra penny.
And you dropped one outside of Faye, so now you're
Leave
even.
a penny, pick it up.
Oh.
Do you have your teeth?
Toothbrush success.